I was listening to a financial expert and he said that what is coming is worse than a recession. Everyone is crying. People are lamenting. There is no money, there is no fund in my country, and in other countries I've spoken with different people, and it's the same thing everywhere. The world is yet to recover from the impact of COVID-19. Many persons have lost their jobs, and even those who have jobs, they are earning less than what is actually needed to sustain them and their family members. And you never know who is going to lose their job next. The prices of things have gone up. We call it inflation. And I'll be lying to you if I tell you that the world is going to get better. No, things are going to get worse. And this is not me trying to be negative, but I want you to be prepared for whatever is coming. Let it be such that no matter the inflation, whatever is going on in the economy and the world at large, your goal should be to build the capacity needed to soar high above the financial difficulties of the world. I have a degree in accounting, a master's degree in finance, and a doctorate in taxation. I've been studying financial trends, analyzing a whole lot, and with the knowledge that I've gotten that has really been helping me make informed decisions, I thought, why not share it with your YouTube family? You never know who you're helping. I have decided to combine my profession and what I love doing and bring it to you as content that is going to provide value to you. My goal is to instill financial literacy in you and ensure you are looking good without being broke. Because we're not going to have fun alone. We're going to learn how to make money, save money, and grow money. If this sounds like something you are interested in, you're tired of your financial situation, you want to improve, do better this year and in the coming years, if you're tired of spending more than you are actually earning and you want to earn more and spend less, click on the video suggestion on your screen right here and I'll see you in this video right now.